In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight on PowerPoint. If you've ever found yourself needing to emphasize key points in a presentation, you know how crucial highlighting can be. It draws the audience's attention exactly where you want it. Thankfully, Microsoft PowerPoint provides a simple way to do this, and I'm here to guide you through each step of the process. To get started, you need to open your MS PowerPoint application. Whether you're using a PC or Mac, the process is pretty much the same. Just click on the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or search for it in your applications menu. Once it's open, you are ready to begin the journey of transforming your presentation. The next step is to open the file you want to work on. You'll be greeted with the opening screen, which lists recent presentations and gives you the option to open other files. Navigate through this list and click on the presentation you want to highlight text in. If it's not listed there, no worries, simply click on Open Other Presentations or Browse to find the file on your computer. Now, let's get to the exciting part, highlighting your text. Begin by navigating to the particular slide that contains the text you wish to highlight. Use your mouse or trackpad to select the exact text. Just click and drag over the words or sentences. It's just like selecting text in a word processor, straightforward and intuitive. Once you've selected your text, it's time to apply the highlight. Look towards the top of the PowerPoint window to find the ribbon, a wide band that spans the screen and houses various tools and options. Here you're looking for the Home tab. Go ahead and click on it. This tab contains most of the formatting tools you'll need, not just for highlighting, but for any other textual adjustments you'd like to make. In the Home tab, scan the options for the highlight icon. It looks like a little pen with a bright line through it, typically found in the font or paragraph section of the ribbon. Once you've spotted it, click on this highlight icon. Clicking it won't apply the highlight right away, but will instead bring up a small menu or palette of colours. From this palette, you can choose the colour you'd like to use for highlighting. PowerPoint offers a range of colours, so feel free to pick one that stands out or complements your presentation's colour scheme. When you click on a colour, PowerPoint immediately applies it to the selected text, making it pop out on your slide, and just like that, you've successfully highlighted text in your PowerPoint presentation. It's a simple yet effective way to draw attention to important points, making sure they're not overlooked by your audience. Here are a couple of additional tips to keep in mind. If you want to remove the highlight from your text, simply select the text again and click on the No Color option in the Highlight Color palette. Also, remember that the effectiveness of highlighting is in its sparing use. Too much highlighting can make your slide look cluttered and can actually dilute the impact of the highlighted sections. Highlighting text in PowerPoint is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to enhancing your presentations. With a little creativity and experimentation, you'll find there are many ways to make your key points stand out and engage your audience. I hope this tutorial has demystified the process of highlighting in PowerPoint for you. Now go ahead and give your presentations the emphasis they deserve. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to practice what you've learned today. Happy presenting!